Hi guys, good morning. I just woke up. If you guys are new here to my channel, please subscribe. There's going to be weekly videos coming up for you. This morning I'm going to make a smoothie, but what I really want to do is show you this magic bullet over here. What do you guys like in your smoothie? Please let me know. Leave a comment below. Today I'll be making a random smoothie. I've never done this before. I just gonna make this up. I have 2 teaspoons of chia seeds, some baby spinach, and this I have a mix of fruits. Doesn't that look colorful? So the chia seeds are from Costco, Kirkland brand. I have strawberries, also Kirkland. Some bananas, I froze these myself. Blueberries from Costco. Sliced peaches from Walmart. And some mangoes, also from Costco. So this should be flavorful. Okay, I'm gonna put all my fruits in. I usually leave the spinach to last. It blends better. Oh, this is about maxed out. Now time for the milk. Oh, this looks so good. Now this is the lid for the blender. Make sure this is nice and tight. Don't want anything to spill out. So the inside looks like this. This is an updated version than the previous model. The previous model is all black and I believe it's a little smaller, has a weaker motor. I'm gonna give this a little shake. Okay, it's done. Might be a little thick, but that's okay. This magic bullet is just powerful enough to blend frozen fruits and ice. But it has to be this newer model. Oh, this looks good. Cheers. This is real good. Very refreshing. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.